Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning po, sir.
Yeah,
Good afternoon po.
good afternoon ka dyan. Okay, let's start. And once again, welcome to our pre-calculus. Nakita na naman tayo ulit sa ating discussion. This is day number 8. Nasa number 8 na tayo. This is 8 and 9 rather. Kinig kayo mabuti ha kasi papasok na tayo sa trigonometric functions. So dito muna tayo sa number 8. Illustrating angles in standard position in coterminal angles. Siyempre sa day number 8 natin medyo madali. Pero dun sa day number 9, medyo mahirap if hindi mo alam i-gamitin yung calculator mo, no? Pero ipapakita ko sa inyo on how to solve the problem without using calculator. But pag nakita nyo na on how to use the calculator or you're going to solve the problem using calculator, parang ayaw nyo na mag-solve ng mano-mano. Gusto nyo na lang calculator na lang. Kaya yun yung pinaka-importante no, sa pre-cal. Dapat may calculator talaga. Para hindi na rin kayo mahirapan kasi mamabus ang oras ninyo. Illustrating angles in standard position in coterminal angles. And we have the lesson targets. We have 1. Illustrate angles in standard position and find their coterminal angles. Let's have a quick review first. Please open your mic no, if you know the answer. So we're going to convert degree to radians. If we're going to convert a certain measurement, and the condition here is degree to radians, since degree ito, we're going to multiply it by answer.
180 degree po.
Very good. We're going to divide it by 180 because this is pi. Why ayaw umalis ng aking mouse lang. Yeah. So this is pi all over 180 degree. Or to simply divide it, what is the answer?
1/3 po.
It's 1/3 pi. That is the final answer. What is 40 degree?
2/9 po.
It's
Rad.
2 or over 9 pi. So you can write or add rad. Or kahit wala na, okay lang. Kasi may pi naman na. Okay, next. How about 135 degree to radians? Answer.
3/4 po.
3. Is it 3 all over 4?
Yes po.
3 all over 4 pi rad. How about the last one? 115.
23 over
23
26
over
po,
30,
sir.
23 over 36 po.
23 all over 36 pi. Tama po ba?
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you. So all you need to do is divide by 180. No? Just copy the pi because the degree is on the upper or in the numerator. For you to be able to know the radians, just simply divide it by 180. As simple as that. Vice versa na lang po, no? If ever radians degree, just like this. If you're going to convert this 4 pi all over 5 into degrees, what is the answer? Multiply 4 times 180.
144, sir.
144 degree. Is it correct? Please verify if it is correct. 144 is the conversion of 4 pi all over 5 into degrees. Is it correct po? Please verify
Yes
kung correct
sir.
po. How about 7 pi all over 9?
140
140.
degree po.
140 degrees sir.
140.
Yes po, sir.
Alright. So, simple as that. So, I hope alam niyo na, no? On how to use the calculator. Shortcut na lang natin yan using calculator naman kasi parehas lang naman yung lalabas. Kahit ilang method mo yan, parehas lang din yung lalabas. And then sa calculator, kung ano yung pagkakasulat mo doon, yun lang din yung magiging solution mo, no? So, gamit ka na lang calculator. As long as alam mo yung principle behind the conversion, then wag di ka na malilito dyan. Next, how about this? Using your calculator, convert 43.1025 degree to DMS. Answer?
6.15 po.
6. Convert to DMS. What is the degree? Of course, 43 degree, di ba? What is the minutes?
43. 6. 6 po, sir.
60. Come again.
6 po.
6 minutes. Then, ano yung seconds?
9
9
seconds.
po.
9 seconds. Baliktad po yung aking sibo. This is 6 minutes. Then, 9 seconds. Tama po ba? Hello?
Po.
Check ko yan mamaya, ha? Check natin yung what is... Check ko na lang sa calculator natin. Keep. Ang gagawin nyo dyan, pindutin nyo lang yung 43.1025. Mabilisan lang ito. Then, equals, yan po, 43 degree, 6 minutes, and 9 seconds. We already converted the 43.1025 degree into DMS form. What if vice versa? What is 67 degree, 39 minutes, and 7 seconds into degree form or decimal form? Answer? "67 degree, 39 minutes, and 7 seconds." Convert it into decimal. Answer?
63.6519 po.
63.6519.
19.
194.
194. Ano ba talaga? 6519 degree or 63.6514. Check ko ha kung anong tama dyan. Check natin kung anong tama.
Sir, 194.
67. Okay. 67 degree, 39 degree, then 7 degree. The answer here is okay, marami. 67.6519. 6519. So the answer here is the first one. Ito yung answer natin. Ito na lang. For decimal places, depende yan sa instructions. So, yung una is mali yan. So, baka na misheard ko lang yung 6514. Baka ang sinabi dyan is 65194. No? Pag ganun yung answer ninyo, 65194, lagyan nyo na lang ng ganyan sa taas. Okay, next. So, let's move on to the main topic. We have the standard position. Can you please read Mark? Oh, si Mark Daniel ba yun? Mark Daniel or Mark Daniel?
An angle is an standard position when its vertex is at the origin and its side coincidence with the positive side of x-axis. The ray in the x-axis is called the initial side, and the other ray is called the terminal side.
Thank you. Continue, Allen. Co-terminal.
Coterminal angles are two angles in which place in standard position have coincident or overlapping terminal sides. Their measures differs from an integral multiple of 360 degrees.
Nawala si Allen.
Clockwise directions, the measurement is positive. If measured in a clockwise direction, the measurement is negative. A
Mm-mm.
negative associated with an angle's directions of measurement clockwise.
Okay, thank you. So, I hope it is clear, no? Sa inyong lahat. yung binasa ni Mark Daniel at ni Allen. So, bigyan natin ng diin. So, sabi niya diyan, an angle is in standard position. So, ito yon, nandito tayo sa unang figure natin. So, meron tayong initial, no? Initial side, it is always on the positive side of x-axis. If you are already familiar with the RCS or the rectangular coordinate system, the horizontal line in our rectangular coordinate system is what we call the x-axis, tama? And the vertical line is the y-axis. If we are looking for the positive side of the x-axis, this is located at the right side of our Cartesian plane, the rightmost of our Cartesian plane. These are the numbers that are positive. Then, to the left, syempre yung mga negative. So, kung titingnan nyo yung nasa drawing natin, yung figure natin, so initial side is always on the positive side of the x-axis. Now, next, the ray in the x-axis is called the initial side. Yun po yung initial side. And the other ray, kung nakikita nyo yan, ang tawag dyan is the terminal side. Okay? Again, yung ating initial side, no? Yung ating initial side is always on the positive x-axis. Ngayon, depende kung ano yung angle na binigay, pwedeng maging 40, pwedeng maging 60, pwedeng maging 70. As you can see, if you are familiar with the measurement of the RCS, so hindi ka na mali dito. Kasi dito sa ating example, terminal side is approximately nasa 100. I think this is 120. Approximately lang, ha? Assume natin like this is 120 degree. Why? This is quadrant 2, right? Because in Cartesian plane, this is 0 or 360. So if you're going to have a one revolution, that will be 360. So the starting point will be 0 and that will be the initial side. It is always 0 when it comes to initial side. And of course, depende yan if it is positive or negative. If it is positive, of course, that will be 0. If it is negative, that will be negative 360. Kanina sinabi yan, binasa ni Allen. And you know, yeah. So as you can see po, it is approximately 120 degree. This is located at quadrant 2. Tama? Because in quadrant 2, this is a total of 180 degree from quadrant 1 to, I mean from 0 to from this point. Kasi 180 ito 90 lang. So approximately, itong example sa drawing is nasa quadrant 2 and the measurement is 120 degree. At ang tawag sa 120 degree is what we call terminal side or in standard position. Sketching or draw a 120 degree in standard position, ito po yung sagot. Okay? Ulitin ko. Kapag ang tinanong, draw 120 degree in standard position, the answer will be yung figure number 1 natin. Kasi naka 120 siya at ang 120, ang tawag natin dyan is terminal side. Hindi po natin siya pwedeng tawagin co-terminal kasi yun yung susunod na ating pag-uusapan. Okay, next. So, co-terminal angles from the word itself, co, parang kaibigan, parang kunyari may katrabaho, co-worker, co-teachers, parang sa akin, co-teachers, pare-parehas kami teachers. Pero dito naman, dito naman, ka-angle niya. I mean, parehas niya ng angle, pero iba yung rotation, pero parehas sila ng terminal side. Yeah. Iisa sila ng terminal side, pero kanya-kanyang rotation yan. Then, ilang beses na rotate, depende yan. So, doon sila mag-meet mismo sa terminal side. As long as nag-meet sila sa terminal side, no? And tawag natin doon is co-terminal angles. Ibig sabihin, may original angle, tapos kung ano yung mga sumunod na angles na kung saan nag-meet sila sa terminal side, ang tawag na doon is co-terminal angles. It could be a positive or it could be a negative according to the definition. Okay, as you can see here, we have the 120. So yung 120 na yan, that is terminal. This is the terminal side. Kung hanapin na natin yung co-terminal niya, so sir, what is the negative co-terminal of 120? So start from X, syempre. So, as you can see po, the rotation of this one is clockwise. And sabi dito, if it is clockwise, that will be negative. Then, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, kahit anong way, basta nagmi-meet sila sa terminal side. Yan yung, yung ending point nila. Okay? So, kahit clockwise man yan, or kahit na counterclockwise man yan, parehas lang din. At ang mga measurement na makukuha mo doon, tatawagin natin siyang coterminal angles. Okay? So, sabi nga dito, if measured in counterclockwise, direction is positive. So, if it is CC, that will be positive. If it is C, that will be negative. Okay? So, dito sa ating example, ang coterminal na tinatawag is negative 240. Sir, ang binigay mo ng example here is negative. Can you give us, sir, ng positive? Of course. So, ang gagawin mo dyan, magkakaroon ka ng isang beses na 360, no? So, 1, 2, 1 rotation is 360, then stop ka sa terminal side na 120. So, yung drawing natin magulo. So, ibig sabihin, pag kukunin mo yung isang positive ng 120, all you need to do is to add 360, then add 120. So, the positive coterminal of 120 is 480 degree. The negative coterminal of 120 is negative 240. So, ang positive coterminal, ang pinakamalapit na positive coterminal ng 120 is 480. Why is it 480? Because according to the diagram natin, kapag nag-rotate ka ng isang 1 revolution, still, ayan, yung 1 revolution, mali, parang pabaliktad yung 1 revolution ko. Yung 1 revolution ko, start ko sa positive x. Since positive po yan, so start ka dito, then rotate siya ganyan. So yan. So 1 revolution is 360, then meron na namang 120 dahil terminal side yung ating ipa-follow. And always remember that kailangan maglagay ng arrow, no, to identify the direction of yung mismong yung direction natin if it is positive or negative. Yan. Yun po yung ibig sabihin, yung definition niya. Yan, yun po yun. So, bigyan natin ng another diagram. So, as you can see po, the counterclockwise, yung ginawa natin kanina is positive. So, ito po yung counterclockwise kasi pwede kayong malito doon sa ikot ng ating graph. Yan po. So, the rotation of the terminal side of an angle counterclockwise, so, positive po yung mga yan. Kapag clockwise naman, negative. So, yung negative clockwise po, pag ganyan siya. So, as you can see po, meron siyang arrow, no? So, when sketching po tayo, always use an arrow to show direction. Sabi ko sa inyo kanina. So, yun po yung magdidikta sa inyo mamaya. Kasi pag wala kayong arrow, hindi mo alam if it is positive or negative. Kaya magalala tayo, mas madali ito kapag nag-solve na tayo. Yan. So, dito naman, kunyari, ito yung ating y. This is our x. And, yun nga, ibibigay ko sa inyo kung yung mga sukat nito. Ito yung 0, di ba? Palit tayo ng y. So, doon sa RCS pa lang, dapat alam mo na yung mga measurement niya. So, this is 180 and this is 270. Ito, pwede siyang maging 0 and 360 kasi 1 revolution is 360. Tama? And then, kunyari, may binigay na sukat na 240. 240 degree. Anong quadrant si 240 degree? Answer? Anong quadrant si 240? Hello? Rinig pa ba ako? Hello po? Anong quadrant po si 240? Hello? Allen? Mark? Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Or nawala?
Sir, 4.
Bakit walang sumasagot? Mali yung 4. Mali si 4. Nandiyan na yung measurement, oh. Kapag nandito daw, this is 0 to 90. Kapag ito daw, 90 to 180. Pag ito naman,
Sir,
180.
second quadrant.
Ha?
Sir, 3 quadrant.
Bakit hindi nyo sure? Madali na lang yan. Quadrant 3 ha, nandito si 240. O, kunyari, i-sketch natin yung 214, standard position. Since positive yan, mag-start tayo dito sa kanyang, dito tayo mag-start sa initial side. Mali yung second, mali yung third lang, hanggang sa third lang yan. Tignan nyo naman yung measurement, nilagay ko na, 90, 180, 270, tas 0 to 360. Ito, kapag positive. So, ito yung initial side natin. Then, since sabi nyo nasa third siya, approximately nandyan siya. So, dyan yung magiging, kapag in-sketch natin yung, if you're going to illustrate to 40 degree into standard position, this is the final answer. So, this is 240 degree. Nagigets nyo po ba? Hello? Hello po? Nagigets nyo po? Naintindihan ba yan? Uy,
Yes.
uy, dali-dali na yan, oh. Kunyari, pag negative naman, sir. Pag negative yan, nandito sa 0, nandito si negative 360. Ito naman, magiging negative 270. Baliktaran na, pinaliktad ko lang. Dito naman, magiging negative 180. Ito naman, magiging negative 90 degree. Kasi, ano negative eh. Kunyari, binigyan ka ng negative 70. Anong quadrant si negative 70? Answer? Very good. It's fourth quadrant. Nandito po si approximately, nandito si terminal site. So this is the initial site. Then since it is negative, then the direction will be clockwise. And as you can see po dito sa ating first example na 240, since it is positive, then the direction will be counterclockwise. Did you get it? Hello? First is wrong. Because the first is the baliktaran po kasi. This is fourth quadrant na. Tama po ba? Hello? Hello po? Nagagets niyo po ba?
Yes, sir.
Di ba negative yan? So, negative 70 nasa fourth quadrant. Okay, let's move on. So, again, we're going to draw each angle in standard position. So, sabihin niyo muna sa akin anong quadrant si ating si 100. Answer? What quadrant po si 100? Quadrant 2. Si quadrant 2, so ibig sabihin nandito siya. The terminal side is located at the quadrant 2. The terminal side is on the positive x values. So the final answer here is looks like this. So this is final answer. 100 degree. How about 400?
Sir, first quadrant.
First quadrant. Very good. Isang rotation tayo. Then, if it is one rotation, so ibig sabihin 360. So, may natirang 40 to make it 400. That's why the answer is first quadrant. So, approximately, this is 40. Yeah. So, this is the terminal side and this is the initial side. Again, this is 400 degree quadrant 1. Thank you so much. How about negative 60? We're done with this. Very good. It's
Fourth quad
quadrant 4. May nagsabing 1. So, ay baka kanina yon. So, this is fourth quadrant because it is negative. The direction is clockwise. So, this is our initial side. And negative 60 approximately located here. So, this is the clockwise negative 60 degree. How about negative 1095? What quadrant? Answer? Tagal ah. Anong quadrant? Si 10, 9, 5. 360, 360 lang yan. Answer? Sabi ni
fourth.
Baltazar at Cantor, fourth, fourth. Sabi naman ni Hazel is fourth, which is correct. So, tama po. Nasa fourth quadrant yan. So, magbilang tayo. 360. So, start tayo since this left to right. I mean, clockwise kasi may sign tayo na negative. So, start tayo sa initial side. Clockwise tayo ha. This is 1. 360. Another 360. Ilan na yon? Ilan na yan? Hello?
720.
720 plus 720 plus 360. Ilan na?
1080.
1080.
1080. So, ilan na yung kulang doon para maging 1095?
15.
No?
15,
10 din.
sir.
Ilan?
15, sir.
15.
So 15 is approximately located at fourth quadrant and maliit lang yung angle niya. So since clockwise, don't forget to write arrow going to the clockwise para ma-identify natin na negative siya. So this is negative 1095. May tanong po ba? Nagets po?
Yes, sir.
Sigurado kayo ha? How about in quadrantal? So tignan nyo tong negative 450. Anong quadrant si 450? Sige nga, kung may natutunan kayo noong grade 10 ninyo. Naniniwala ba kayo na ang location lang ng ating rectangular coordinate system is nasa quadrant 1 to 4 lang? Naniniwala ba kayo doon na nasa quadrant 1 to 4 lang yung mga location ng ating mga degrees? Hello? Sa quadrant 1 to 4 lang ba matatagpuan ang ating mga degree or mga measurement na binibigay? Yes or no po? Hello? Uy, RCS lang to. Wala pa tayo sa sign, sign. Depende. Anong depende? Paano naging depende yon? Hindi siya depende. Naniniwala ba kayo na quadrant 1 to 4 lang or meron pa bang ibang location na pwedeng
Sir, quadrant 1 to 4 lang.
so quadrant 1 to 4 lang. So anong quadrant tong negative 450? Sige nga. Anong quadrant si negative 450? And then ito positive na lang yan kasi negative na ito. Sige nga, anong quadrant si 450? Sabi nyo kasi kanina, quadrant 1 to 4 lang.
Sir, fourth.
Fourth? Paano naging fourth yan? Sigurado kayo fourth yan?
Ay, third,
Sir,
sir,
third
third.
po.
Third? Sigurado kayo third? Oh, sige. Sige, try natin. This is the initial side. So, this is the initial side. And this is 90, negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, negative 360. Ilan na yung kulang para maging 450 yung sa 360 natin? Ilan yung idadagdag ko sa negative 360? Hello? 90 sabi ni Hazel. So saan ako mag-stop? Sa, di ba ito yung negative 90? So dyan ako mag-stop. This is 0, this is negative 360. So mag-stop ako sa quadrant. What? Quadrant again? Sabi ni Lander is third quadrant rather. Merveth, third daw sabi niya. Wala naging third, dito siya mag-stop. Saktong nasa Y. Oh. Third quadrant ba yan? Hello? Anong second? Absisa. Uy, sinabi ko na oh. Y axis. Nandun na oh. Mali ang first, mali ang absisa, mali ang second, mali lahat ng sagot ninyo. Nandun na oh. Sabi niya Y axis. Saan ba siya tumapat? Di ba sa Y
Sa
axis?
y-axis.
And kapag tumapat siya sa Y axis, anong tawag doon? Quadrantal. Okay? Anong tawag ulit kapag tumapat sa mga axis natin? Answer is
Quadrant.
quadrantal. Next, what is positive 180? Anong location niya? Anong location ng 180?
Sir,
Answer?
second quadrant.
Mali! Quadrant kayo
X-axis
dyan.
po, sir.
X-axis.
X-axis quadrantal.
Very good. It's x-axis quadrantal. Okay, this is located here. X-axis, but this is quadrantal ang tawag. Nagets?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, let's move on to coterminal na. So, dito, sabi niya dito, a complete rotation of a ray results in an angle measuring 360. So, we don't have to stop there because when it comes to coterminal, marami yan. Depende sa condition. So, can you give me the pi positive coterminal of 137? So, madami yan. 137 plus 360 plus 360 plus 360 plus 360. Basta 360 yung kanyang interval. Okay. Dito, binigay na measurement is 137. Then we're going to find the value, or I mean, you're going to find the coterminal of 137. As you can see, we have 497 here. So, anong ginawa niya? 137 plus 360, what is the answer? What is 137 plus 360?
497.
One
And then, anong tawag sa 497?
co-terminal.
Co-terminal.
Coterminal angle. Can you give me the negative coterminal of 137? So, since 497 is the positive coterminal of 137, what is the negative coterminal of 137? All you need to do is to minus 360. Answer? Answer?
223 po.
Is it 223?
Negative.
Negative 223. Please verify. Is it 137 minus 360 is negative 223? Answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Kamali-mali
sir.
na
Yes,
naman
sir.
yung sasabihin nyo, ha. STEM 5 to 8. Mali-mali yung mga binigay na sagot. Hindi ko na na-check. So, this is negative 223. Naiintindihan nyo ba ang co-terminal?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
As long as same sila ng terminal side, co-terminal ang tag natin doon. Okay? O, tignan nyo to. Yung ginawa natin kanina. The terminal side here is 45. Ngayon, if you're going to get the value of the one positive, no? One positive co-terminal ng 45, just simply add 360 lang. 45 plus 360 answer. What is 45 plus 360?
405.
405. That is the positive coterminal angle. Next, what is the negative coterminal angle of 45? 45 minus 360 answer?
Negative 315.
Negative 315. Nagigets po. Susundan. Uy. Klaro ba yan? Wala bang tanong? Sumagot kayo. Naiintindihan ba? Naumul-umul kayo eh.
Sir, pwedeng paulit po.
Paulit. Salita kayo. Mas mamaya, wag mababa naman yung mga makukuha nyo. Hindi kayo nagtatanong. Huwag kayong mahiya magtanong. Tapos chat nyo ako sir, paano ito nakuha? Hindi ka nagtanong ng online class. Nahihiya ka. Kasalanan mo yan. Huwag kang mahiya. Kasi pag nag-chat kayo sa akin isa-isa, papahirapan nyo pa ako. Kaya tanong nyo na every time na may OC. Chat nyo ako, nahihiya kayong magtanong. Huwag kayong mahiya para din sa inyo. Yan. Yan. Paano natin kukunin? Kunyari, ang tanong is 45 degree. And this is the terminal angle, which is 45 degree. Ito yung tinatawag nating terminal side. Yung terminal side na yan, kapag umikot ka ng isang beses yung blue, tapos stop ka sa kanyang terminal side, ang tawag na doon is co-terminal. At yung co-terminal na yon, you need to solve the angle. And that will be 405 because isang rotation na yan is exactly 360. So 360 na yan, and then itong angle na to is exactly 45 degree. So 360 plus 45. So the answer here is 405 degree. Kaya may 405 dito. Ang tawag natin dyan is the positive coterminal. Yan yung unang positive coterminal. So ano ba yung second positive coterminal ng 45? So 405 plus 360. Nandun yung pattern. Just simply add 360. So what is the second coterminal angle of 45? 405 plus 460 is ilan yan?
Salad 65.
The answer is 765 degree. Ang tawag sa 765 is the second positive coterminal angle of 45. Next, yung negative 315, ang tawag natin dyan is negative coterminal angle of 45. Kasi yung 45 natin, since negative siya, syempre minus 360. Kapag positive yung binigay, o di positive or plus 360. Kapag kukunin mo na yung negative mo, minus 360 ka. Okay, vice versa yon. Kapag positive, plus. Kapag negative, minus 360 always. So, what is 45 minus 360? Ang binigay na sagot is negative 315. At ito yung solution niya. Kasi 45 is the original angle. Yan yung ating ifo-follow. Kaya 345 minus 360, 315. At tawag sa 315 at 45, 405 are coterminal angles of 45 degree. At ang 45 degree naman, ang tawag natin sa kanya is terminal angle. Yung terminal angle naman, yan yung tinatawag nating original o yan yung ating guide para makuha mo yung co-terminal niya. Kasi pag wala kang guide, paano makukuha yung co-terminal? Eh, wala kang guide, wala kang measurement na follow. Paano sila magkakaroon ng common terminal sides kung wala kang terminal angle? Diba? So, yun yun. Dito tayo. Name and illustrate 3 co-terminal angles of 60. So, bigay daw tayo ng tatlong co-terminal angles ng 60. O, ano yung una? Ibigay sa akin yung unang co-terminal angles ng 360. Pwede nyo magbigay ng negative, pwedeng positive. O, bigyan nyo ako ng dalawang positive at isang negative. Answer? Sabi ni
420.
Cantor, 420. Very good. So, the first co-terminal of 60 is 420. What else? 480 is wrong.
780. 780 po.
780 is the next one. How about negative?
Negative 300 po.
Negative 300 is correct. Nagigets nyo po ba? Susundan nyo po.
Yes, sir.
Uy, it's simple mathematics lang.
Yes,
Just
sir.
add 360. If it is positive, if it is negative, just simply minus 360. As simple as that. Okay, sabi niya doon sa tanong, illustrate. We're going to illustrate 420. And what quadrant is that? Quadrant? Quadrant? Positive yan, no? Quadrant? What quadrant is 420? Anong quadrant po yan? Grade 11 na kayo.
First quadrant.
Come again?
First quadrant
First
po.
quadrant. Ay, ang tagal sumagot. Di ba 60 lang yung dinagdag natin? Sa approximately nandito yung 60. Sabi niya doon, isang rotation 360, nag-add kayo. So, direction niya is counterclockwise. So, that is 420 degree if you're going to illustrate it. Number 2, what quadrant? Uy, anong quadrant yan? Uy, nandun yung pattern. 60 oh. Nasaan ba yung 60? Nasaan ba ang 60? Palaging nasa?
First.
First. Ay, naku kayo. Nandun na yun oh. 60 oh. So, palaging nasa first yan. So, saan lang tayo nag-iiba-iba? Sa rotation, kung ilang beses, is 780 yan, dalawang 360 kailangan mo. Yan. 1, 2, tapos dito. Ay, naku kayo. Tapos dito naman, negative 300, same pa rin yan. Nasa first quadrant pa rin kasi 60 yung fina-follow natin. Pero ito, clockwise na. Yan. Okay, naku kayo ah. Tagal yung sumagot ah. Next, letter B naman. Find the coterminal angles ng negative 73 degree. Isa daw na positive at isang negative. Oh, ano yung mga yan?
Negative 287 po.
Negative 287 is wrong. Negative
Positive
287.
287 po.
The first positive coterminal angle of 73 and negative 73 is 287. This is negative 73 plus 360. It will give you, we obtain 287. Now next, what is the negative one? Answer?
Negative 433.
As simple as that. Negative 433. Because we're going to subtract negative 73. Negative 73, the answer will be 433. We're going to add and then copy the sign. That's why 433 or negative 433.
Sir, paano naman pag yung ano pi over 5 ganon?
Mamaya,
Yung
wala
dyan
pa
sa
tayo dyan.
1.
Relax.
Okay, sir.
Susunod. Susunod yan. Next. Here are the problems for you to answer. Yan, binigay ko na sa inyo yung mga sasagutan, then tulungan ko kayo kung paano sasagutan. No? So, kung ano yung sinasagot natin dito, pwede nyo nang isabay. Ilagay nyo na yung tamang sagot dyan and then yung solution ninyo. Okay? So, number one, sabi niya doon, the question here is name two angles, one positive and one negative. That coterminal with the given angle. Illustrate daw. Illustrate pa natin. So, sa inyong module, you're going to draw. Okay? So, number one tayo. Number one natin, the answer here at the terminal side is 215. Terminal angle is 215. Then what is the first positive angle or coterminal angle of 215? Answer? Very
575 po.
good. 215. Sorry. 215. So 215 plus 360. Ito yung first positive coterminal angle. That is 575 degree. So, ano naman yung negative?
Negative 145 po, sir.
Okay, negative 145. Okay, next, number 2. What is negative 650 plus 360?
Negative 290.
The answer here is negative 290. How about the first negative? 650 minus 360. Answer?
Negative 1010 po.
Come again?
Negative 1010.
Negative 1010. And next, number 3, dito na lang. What is pi all over 5? So what is the first positive angle of pi all over 5? This is negative 1010. Sir, paano po ito? So, yung ating pi is equivalent to 180 degrees. Ibig sabihin, if it is one rotation, that is 2 pi. Okay? Ang 2 pi is equivalent to 360 degree. So, kapag ganyan, kapag kukunin nyo na yung 1 positive, ang gawin nyo lang, siyempre, pi all over pi plus, mag-plus ka dyan, ng 2 pi. So, ilan yung pi all over 5 plus 2 pi? Cal
396 po.
Very good. It's 396 degree. I-calculator nyo na lang yan. Next is, since degree siya, so dapat i-degree nyo muna. So, ilan yung, or you're going to convert para mas madali. So, ilan yung pi all over 5 sa degree? Convert nyo 1, what is 1/5 pi? Convert nyo muna siya sa degree kung ilan. Ilan yung pi all over 5?
36 po.
Diba? 36 yan. So, plus 360. Ilan na yan? Diba? 396. Tama? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yung next naman. Yung negative naman. So, pi all over 5 minus 2 pi. So, ilan yan? Or just simply 36 minus 360. Answer?
Negative 324.
So, negative 324. Yan. So, yan yung mga sagot. One positive and one negative coterminal with a given angle. So, I have a question in number 2 kasi. Sabi niya doon, sa number 2, one positive, one negative. So, sabi niyo negative 290. Is it negative 290 is the first positive? Hello? Negative 290 is still negative but coterminal angle siya. Tama? So, what is the positive coterminal angle of 600 or negative 650? Answer? Sabi niyo kasi negative 290 eh. Is it positive ba yung 290? Is it positive coterminal angle po ang negative 290? Siyempre hindi, kasi may negative. So, what is the final answer? So, acceptable naman si negative 290 as coterminal. Where it's 70. Why is it 70? Because we have 290 plus 360. What is 290? Or I mean negative 290 plus 360. Answer here is 70. Yan. So, yung 70 natin is the positive kasi yan. Yan yung positive coterminal angle. Sir, acceptable po ba si negative 290? Yes po, kasi negative 290 is still negative pa rin siya pero coterminal. Pero if you're going to get the positive coterminal, if you're looking for the positive coterminal angle, negative 290 is not the final answer. The final answer will be 70. Okay? Next. Illustrate, wag na natin i-illustrate, kulang yung space natin. Basta yung na 215, nasa quadrant 3 ang mga yan. So, tinuruan na kayo. Yung number 3 naman, nasa quadrant 1. Then yung 650 naman, and since 650 yan, bilangin nyo lang ilang rotation. No? So, what quadrant is negative 650 po? Nasaan si 650? So, kunyari, ito yung graph. So, negative 650. So, this is negative 360. So, this is another 90. What is 360 plus 90? Hello?
450.
450. So, nadaanan natin yung 90. Another 90, ilan?
540 po.
Ilan?
240.
540.
640. Tama ba?
5 po.
5.
540?
Opo.
360 plus 180. Ilan yan? Ang tagal yung sumunod eh. 540. Ilan pa yung kulang? So, dagdagan natin ng 90. Another rotation. Oh, 90.
630.
Ilan na?
30.
630.
630.
So, anong quadrant na ngayon si negative 650? Quadrant?
First.
1.
Quadrant 1. Ay, wait lang. So, ilan yung ano dito? Kulang. Nung dinagdagan nyo ng 90 ito, ilan? 630, di ba? So, 630 yan. So, this is 90. Ilan na yung 20 yung kulang? So, nandito yung terminal side. Yeah. So, ganyan po yung graph niya. Then, meron siyang arrow. So, clockwise siya, negative. Negative 650. The location is quadrant 1. Okay, next. Find an angle between 0 and 360. So, what is negative 55? Negative 55, hanapin nyo daw yung coterminal niya na nasa pagitan ng 0 and 360. All you need to do is to add 360 answer.
305.
305.
Okay. Ang gagawin nyo lang doon, mag-add kayo ng 360, ha? So, plus 360 yan is equivalent to 305 degree. How about 608?
968 po.
Anong ginawa nyo? Minus? Anong ginawa ninyo?
Addition po.
What is...
248.
Ano yung angle ng 608 na nasa between 0 and 360? Coterminal
248.
ha? Coterminal. Negative 360. So, answer here is 248 kasi nasa between siya ng 0 and 360. Okay, next, how about negative 2 naman? You're going to
358.
add 360. Tingnan nyo naman yung pattern. Kapag negative, plus. Kapag nagbigay siya ng positive, minus. Kapag negative yung binigay, magpa-plus. Answer, 350,
62.
58. Okay. Next, number 3 naman. Find an angle between 0 and 2 pi that is coterminal with a given angle. 2 pi is still 360. So, madali lang siya if it is negative, no? Kapag negative po, ang gagawin nyo lang ganito. Keep natin yan. Labas natin yung calculator natin. If it is negative po yung given problem, i-type mo lang yung negative 21 pi shift pi and then 4. Then mag-add ka lang ng 2 pi. Ay, mali. Plus shift pi. Yan. 2 pi pala. Yan. Tignan nyo mabuti. Yung negative 21 pi all over 4 plus 2 pi, magpa-plus tayo because the sign of the angle here into radians is negative, then plus, kaya plus yan ng 2 pi. Mag-stop ka lang kapag nag-positive. Since negative yan, mali. Dagdagan natin ng dalawa. 4. Sir, negative pa rin sir. Anong gagawin natin? Dagdagan natin ulit ng dalawa sir. 6. Yan. Nag-positive na po sir. So that is the answer. Nag-positive na siya. So nasa between 0 and 360 na siya. So 3 all over 4 pi is the answer in number 1. If it is negative. The answer here is 3 all over 4 pi. Why is it 3 all over 4 pi ang sagot, sir? Tingnan natin, check natin kung tama yung sagot natin. Kunin natin si calculator. Yung 3 natin, 3 all over 4, 3 all over 4 pi, convert it into degrees. We're going to multiply it by 180 all over pi. So as you can see, 3 pi all over 4, if we are going to convert 3 pi all over 4 into degrees, that is between 0 and 360 na, which is 135. Kaya yung sagot natin kanina na 3 all over 4 pi is correct po yan. Using calculator na lang po para mabilis. Kapag nag-negative yung question. Sir, paano po pag yung number 2 naman? Number 2 kasi sir is positive. So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan is magma-minus ka. Tama? Or, kung medyo pag positive kasi, ang gawin mo dyan is 5 pi, no? 5 pi, kunin mo ano yung exact niya. 5 pi times 180 all over pi. So, convert muna natin mano-mano. Cancel, cancel. What is 5 times 180? Answer? What is 5 times 180?
900.
200?
900 po.
900.
Sakto ba? 900? Yan. So, 900 minus 360. Minus 360.
540 po.
Yan. Kailangan siyang i-minus ng 360, 360, dalawa. So, ilan na yung sagot?
180 po.
Di ba 180 yung sagot? Di ba ang 180 nasa pagitan na siya ng 0 degree and 360 degree? Tama po ba? Hello?
Opo.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yung ating sagot dyan is 180. Pero ang kinukuha niyang answer sa inyo is nasa pi. So, ang 180 is equivalent to pi. Gets nyo? Hello? So, kailangan natin ng shortcut. Try natin sa shortcut natin. Keep. Doon sa calculator. So, 5 pi. Gawin nyo dyan 5 shift pi minus. Sir, bakit po magma-minus? Again, this is positive. So, minus tayo ng pi or 2 pi. Ay, mali na naman na pinit ko. Shift pi, then 2 pi. Kapag in-add natin yan, minus natin yan, ang sagot is 3 pi. Hindi pa pwedeng maging sagot si 3 pi kasi ang 3 pi is malaki pa yan. Nasa 3 times 180 pa yan. Nasa 400 plus, 500 plus. So, another 2 pi minus. Pwedeng mag 2 shift pi ka dyan or ipagsamahin mo na. Minus 4 pi. Parehas lang. So, ang lumabas sa akin is pi. Okay? And pi is equivalent to 180. Sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Tama? Kaya nga may 2 pi dun eh. Kasi 2 times 180 is 360. So, the answer here is pi. And kung hindi kayo sure kung kailan kayo mag-stop, first, you need to convert it into degrees. Kasi makikita mo doon, 900. Okay. 900 siguro ang ima-minus ko dito. Dalawang 360. So, 900 minus 720 and the answer is 180 and 180 is considered as between 0 to 360. So, final answer is pi. Dito naman, since negative to, madali lang. We can do the shortcut natin using calculator. So, calculator natin to keep. Okay. So, we have negative again. So, negative 51 shift pi all over 12. Then, add natin. Pag nag-negative, pag nag-positive, that's the time na mag-stop ka. Okay? So, negative pa, sir. So, dagdagan ko ng dalawa, another 360. Sir, negative pa rin po. Dagdagan natin ng 6. Sir, nag-positive po. So, the answer here is 7 all over 4 pi. 7 all over 4 pi. Nag-positive na siya. So, ang answer natin dito is 7 pi all over 4. Sir, why is it 7 pi all over 4? Paano po kayo makatitiyak na ang 7 pi all over 4 is nasa pagitan siya ng 0 and 360 degree? Then let's convert it into degree para sure ka. So, this is pi all over 180. So, what is 7 times 180 divide 4? Answer? What is 7 times 180 divide 4?
315 po.
315. So, this is 315 degree. Nasa pagitan na ba siya ng 0 to 2 pi? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, ganyan po siya kunin, ha? So, sinagutan ko na yung nasa module ninyo. May mga answer keys do, answer key na mali. So, yan yung mga tamang sagot, ha? Do you have any questions po? Hello? Nagtanong po ba kayo?
Pwede pong paulit po saglit, sir. Yung number 3 lang po.
Number?
Number 3 lang po. Paulit lang po. Hindi po nakasunod.
Number 3 ng test 3?
Opo, sir.
Test 3. Okay. Sa calculator ba, mano-mano? Ano?
Kahit ano,
Calculator.
sir?
Ano?
Opo.
Calculator na lang.
Sa calci na lang po.
Oo, calculator talaga yan. Kapag mano-mano mo yan, wala, di atila-tila ka lang. Calculator talaga yan kasi parehas ganun siya talaga isolve. Ika-calculator mo para makuha mo agad yung lowest term niya. So, ulitin natin. Since ano yan, negative yan, ang gawin mo, diba negative yan, diba? So, ilagay mo negative sa taas, shift pi, 51 pala yun, 51 pi, tapos sa baba niya, mayroon siyang 12. Magpa-plus ka kasi negative yung tanong ng 2 pi, ng 2 shift pi. Sir, nag-negative po. Hindi pa ako mag-stop no, sir. Opo. Mag-add ka ng dalawa pa. Sir, nag-negative po na decimal. Mali rin po yan kasi negative. So, magdagdag ka pa, sir, ng dalawa. Yan. Nag-positive siya. Then, that is the final answer na, which is 315. Okay na po?
Ay, okay na po, sir. Thank you po.
Pero ang sagot dyan kasi, in terms of pi kasi yan eh. Yung una, in terms of degrees. Ito naman, number 11, test 3. Test 3, number 1, 2, 3, ano siya, with respect of radians. So, kailangan natin siyang i-convert if ever, nasa choices is nasa radians, no? Hindi na kayo malilito dyan, basta alam nyo yung concept na kapag naka-radians, alam nyo siyang kunin into degrees. Kasi in degrees, mas matitiyak mo na tama yung sagot mo kasi naka-degrees siya. Yun yung madalas na ginagamit natin when it comes to RCS, given the measurement of the degree. Saktong-sakto siya kasi kapag naka-radians, hindi mo pa matansya. So, parang ganyan, yung 21 pi all over 4, hindi mo alam kung exact value niyan into degrees, di ba? Yun. So, next. Wow, meron pa pala. So, mabilis na tayo. Number 1, anong sagot natin dito sa 40? Ano daw yung isang positive at isang negative niya?
400 degree po tsaka negative 320.
Okay, 400 at negative 320. How about 110? Yung 400 plus 360 yan, ha? Yung 40, negative 320 minus 360 na yun. Yes.
470 degree po tsaka negative 250.
Ilan to?
70.
470 yan. Ano yung
Negative
negative?
250 po.
Negative 250. Ito naman, find an angle between 0 and 360 that is coterminal with the given angle. So, what is
105 po.
765? So, since positive yan, magmaminus lang kayo, ha? So, 105 is the first, plus 715 minus,
355 po.
what is 715 minus 360?
355 po.
355.
355. So, pasok si 355 sa angle between 0 and 360. How about letter C naman? Find an angle between 0 degree and 2 pi. Oh, positive yan. What is the coterminal of 225, 21 pi all over 4? Kung nahihirapan ka, i-express mo muna yung 21 pi all over 4 into degrees. Answer? Answer po. What is 21 pi all over 4 and 43 pi all over 5? Hindi po pwede. Letter C. Depende kasi yan sa tanong eh. I mean, kailangan yung sanayin yung sarili ninyo na naka-radian siya kasi sa choice sa multiple choice exam naka-radian siya, 'di ba? So dapat alam mo i-convert. So ang para sa akin kasi since positive yan, mahirapan kayong itansya eh. Kaya ang gagawin nyo na lang, convert nyo muna siya sa degree. Tapos all over 4. Times natin siya ng 180 shift pi. So the answer is 945 minus 720, 225 ang ating sagot sa number 1. So since 225 siya, 225 degree, convert natin siya again sa pi. So this is 180 pi. So what is 225 divide 180? Hindi na po kailangan ng solution. What is 225 times 180? I mean divide. Divide. Sabi ni Stephen is 5 all over 4.
5/4 po.
Nagigets niyo po ba yung point ko dito? Hello? Susundan niyo ba yung solution? Uy. Susundan niyo po ba? Uy,
Yes po.
tinuruan ko na kayo paano mag-convert. Next.
Sir, ako.
Next naman, yung 43 shift pi tapos 5, di ba? Kasi, i-ano natin siya sa degrees muna para matansya natin kung kailan tayo mag-stop. So, shift 180. Ay, hindi pa mag-shift. 180 yan. Shift ng pi. Ay, ito. Back. 180 shift pi. So, that is 1,548. So, minus tayo ng 1,548 minus 720 minus 360 minus 360. So, 108 is the final answer. So, 108 po yung answer natin doon. 108 degree times natin yung 108 degree again. Ito kasi naka-radian siya. So, pi and this is 180 degree. So, answer po, is it 3/4 or 3/5? Answer? Sagot?
3/5 po. 3/5
3,
po.
3 all over pi. Grado kayo ha. Hindi ko na i-check. 3 all over 5 pi. Okay, next. So, sabihin niyo sa akin kung coterminal or not coterminal. Number 1. Ang 90 ba? Coterminal niya si 430? Answer?
Not.
Not. Okay, next. Number 2 naman. Number 2.
Yes.
Terminal ba or not? Hello?
Sir, not.
Not. Bakit hindi kayo sigurado? Number 3. Dali-dali lang yan. Number 3.
Sir, not.
Number 4.
Yes,
So
coterminal
yes.
Number
is
5.
yes ulit.
Yes. Siguraduhin nyo na hindi kayo tumitingin sa module ninyo. Kasi ano yan, kayo nag-cheat. Walang learnings dyan. Tignan nyo kung paano kung bakit naging no, kung bakit naging yes. 90 plus 360. The answer is 450. That's why no. Hindi niya coterminal si 430. Okay, next, negative 225 plus 360. Delete natin. Plus 360. The answer here is 135. So, kulang yan. Try pa natin mag-add ng 360 plus 360. Baka sumakto na. Hindi pa rin sakto. Sumobra siya ng 15. I mean, 10. That's why 485 is not the coterminal of negative 225. Next, how about 30? Coterminal niya ba si negative 30? Siyempre, hindi. Malabo. Mangyari. Negative yan eh. 30. Next, yung 72 naman. Masyadong mataas yung coterminal na binigay. So, try natin 72 plus 360 plus 360. At ang 360 times 2 is 720. Pasok siya sa coterminal. Kaya 72, coterminal niya po si 792. Yung negative 46 naman. Plus 360. Sir, kulang po. Dagdagan natin ng additional 360. At sumakto siya sa coterminal na 674. That's why, yes. Sundan. Sundan po.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next na po. Pasensya na, napahaba yung discussion kay sumasagot eh. Bilisan lang yun eh, kasi madali lang yung 8 talaga. Kasi calculator lang yon. Lalo na yung 9, calculator lang to, pero kailangan ko ituro sa inyo kung paano kunin without using calculator. Kasi kawawa yung mga walang calculator talaga kapag exam na or quiz. Illustrating the different circular functions. Papasok na dito si sine, cosine, and tangent. Ha? So, we're going to illustrate the 6 trigonometric functions here. So, we have the two objectives: illustrate the different circular functions and use the reference angles to find exact values of similar functions. So, ito po yung nasa module ninyo. So, ang gagawin nyo dito, you need to memorize. So, we have the 6 trigonometric functions. We have the sine, cosine, and tangent. Of course, the counterpart of sine will be CSC or cosecant, and the cos will be secant, and the tangent will be cotangent. As you can see po, babalik rin lang po natin yung mga yan. So, ibig sabihin tatlo. Tatlo lang yung inyong i-memorize when it comes to 6 trigonometric functions. Basta alam mo kung ano yung counterpart ng isang function niya na sine. Kasi kapag ang sine, y all over r, babaliktarin mo lang yon. So, r all over y. Yung cosine naman, if it is x all over r, babaliktarin mo siya sa secant. Kapag yung tangent naman is y all over x, babaliktarin mo siya, magiging x all over y. Dapat sa ano pa lang, alam nyo na agad kung anong partner ng sine, cos, at tangent. Kasi tatlo lang yan. So, ibig sabihin po, magiging 6 na lang siya kapag hinanapan niyang 6 trigonometric functions. Basta baliktarin nyo lang kung ano yung sine, cos, at tangent. At alam nyo dapat kung anong counterpart ng sine, cos, at tangent. Madali lang tandaan yung tangent kasi cotangent. Parang co-terminal, terminal. Pero yung sine CSC, medyo nakakalito siya kasi sine, cosecant. Cosine, secant. Diba? Ang sine ay para kay cosecant. Ang cos para kay secant. Diba? So, medyo nakakalito yung dalawa kung ano yung magiging counterpart nila. So, sanayin nyo na yung sarili nyo kung ano yung magiging partner ng sine at partner ng cos. Yung tangent, wala nang problema dyan kasi cotangent. Magkatunog. Dito naman, sa given the two shorter legs of right triangles, para lang kayo nagsosolve ng Pythagorean theorem. So, shortcut natin ito ha. So, shortcut natin. Yung x dyan at y given na, yung x at y given na po dyan, which is 3 and y, x is 3 and y is equal to 4. So, ang gagawin nyo dito, pindutin nyo lang si square root, then ilagay mo yung x natin 3 squared plus 4 squared. Sir, hindi ka na po naglagay ng parenthesis. Wag na, kasi positive naman eh. Lahat yan magiging positive. Sir, paano pag binigyan kami ng negative still? Huwag mo nang ilagay yung negative. Why? Kasi nga, squared po yung binigay. So, useless na yung mga negative na yan. So, using calculator, ang 3 squared plus 4 squared is 5. So, ibig sabihin, the value of first question here, the R will be 5. R is equal to 5. So, kayo naman, what is number 2? What is the value of R if it is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5 using your calculator? Go. It's like a Pythagorean theorem lang po yan. So, what is number 2? Answer? What is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5? Answer?
5 squared 2.
5
Squared
squared
2 po.
square root. Tama? So, paano po naging ganyan? Ito, tignan nyo itong gagawin ko. R is equal to square root of 5 squared plus 5 squared. So, R is equivalent to what is 5 squared? 25 plus 25. Next, what is 25 plus 25? 50. Then, what is the perfect square number of 50? Ano yung pinakamalaking perfect square number ng 50? Or meron bang perfect square number ang 50? Hello? Meron po ba? Very good. It's 25 and 2. So 25 and 2 and 25 is a perfect square number. That will be 5 times 5. Perfect square number siya or 5 squared. Tama? So ibig sabihin kapag square root mo yan, magiging cancel na yan. Cancel na rin to. So may iwan si 5. Perfect square number ang 50. Ang 25 rather. So since square root of 50 yan, magiging 5 square root of 2. Paano nangyari? 50, 25 times 2 and 25 times 2 is 50 and 25 is equivalent to 5 squared and then 5 squared, square root natin yung 2 para matanggal and that will be 5 or just simply square root of 25 will be 5. And then may natira na 2. Okay? So, siyempre, kapag sa calculator yan, you don't need to solve it this one. Ang gagawin mo lang, tingnan nyo to. Ganito yan sa calculator. So, lagay natin, ipalitan lang natin yung 3 ng 5. Palitan natin ng 5 yung 4. O, yan, lumabas agad. Kaya, yun yung magiging advantage ng mga may calculator. Kapag mabilisan, kailangan mo talaga ng calculator. Kaya lalabas agad yung sagot. Kapag magsusolve ka, maproseso siya. And since periodical exam siya, hindi na kailangan ng solution. Okay? So, mabilisan talaga ang pagsasagot. Okay, next. So, anong sagot naman, sir, kapag number 3? So, di calculator ulit. Sabi ko sa inyo, kahit negative yan, walang problema. Disregard. Ha? Disregard the sign. Kasi positive lang yan. Sir, paano po naging positive yan? Tignan nyo mabuti. So, x is negative 4. So, negative 4 squared plus tapos negative 7 squared. Yan. Ang lalabas dyan is square root of 65. So, ang answer natin is square root of 65. Try natin yung sinasabi ko na i-disregard yung negative sign. 4 squared plus 7 squared. The answer is still square root of 65. So, yun nga. Kahit may negative yan, i-disregard yan kasi nga square root po. And we're talking about the Pythagorean theorem. So, this is square root of 65. So, can you give me the final answer here, number 4, using your calculator? Number 4 po, what is the answer?
Sir, 2 is square root of 34.
2 square root of 34. How about number 5?
13.
13. So, let's check if it is correct. So, try natin si number 4. This is 10. And then number, yes, y is negative 6. Just simply write 6. The answer here is 2 square root of 34. So your answer in number 4 is correct. Then let's move on to last one, number 5. Let's change it into 5. Then the y is negative 12. Just simply write 12. The answer here is 13. So what is the square root of 169? The answer is 13. Susundan nyo po ba?
Yes,
Nafo-follow
sir.
po. So, dapat pag face-to-face, lapitan nyo ako kapag nahirapan kayong gumamit ng calculator nyo, ha? Kung may problema kayo, lalo na sa mga hindi advanced yung calculator nila, hindi kayong magpaturo sa akin kapag face-to-face na, ha? Kasi mag-quiz na naman kayo next after ng face-to-face class natin. Next. So, okay na tayo sa Pythagorean theorem, no? Hypotenuse, adjacent side. So, ito na namang sa rationalization of radicals. Ay, mahirapan kayo dito talaga pag wala kayong calculator. So, itong number 1, we have 1 all over square root of 2. So, bawal siyang maging final answer kasi meron siyang square root sa denominator. Yan yung iwasan natin. Yan. So, bawal yung mga yan. So, dapat may tanong dito. Sabi niya, Sir, pag ilalagay na po ba final answer, kailangan po ilalagay yung radian sign. Kahit wag na. Pi lang, okay na. Okay na yung pi. So, itong number 1 natin, we need to convert it you need to rationalize kasi yung denominator niya is naka-radical. So, ang gagawin mo dyan, multiply mo yan, depende kung ano yung nasa radical mo. Square root of 2, square root of 2. So, what is 1 times square root of 2? That will be square root of 2. And what is square root of 2 times square root of 2? The answer is 4. Sir, bakit po nawala yung 1? So, you don't need to write 1 here. Imaginary 1 na kasi yan. So, redundant na siya. Next, what is the square root of 2 all over square root of 4? Answer? Excuse me. What is the square root
Square
of
root
2?
2 over 2.
Square root of 2 all over 2. Narinig ko na. Yan. Sir, try nga natin sa calculator kung may shortcut. Siyempre, mayroon yan. Yan. Tingnan nyo mabuti. So, 1 all over square root of 2. The answer here is square root of 2 all over 2. Okay na po ba? Nag-gets po? Hello po.
Yes, sir.
So, kapag i-ano mo yan, long method mo, talagang tatagalan ka. So, try natin si square root of 2. Square root of 2, square root of 3. So, the answer here is square root of 6 all over 3. Answer number 2, times natin yan sa square root of 3, square root of 3. So, square root of 2 times square root of 3, that will be square root of 6. Then, square root of 3 times square root of 3, that will be square root of 9. Then, square root of 6 is hindi na po siya pwedeng i-simplify because 6 has no perfect square number, but 9 has a perfect square number which is 3 times 3. That's why 3 na lang po yung sagot. Gets po? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So, ano yung gagawin niyo? Calculator na lang o mano-mano?
Humiram ng
Calculator, sir.
Okay. So, tinuturuan ko kayo kung paano maging wais na estudyante, ha? Huwag nyo nang gawin yung mga long method na yan kasi periodical exam yon. So, dapat, ngayon pa lang, alam mo na i-manipulate, kailangan mo nang ma-master kung paano gamitin yung calculator mo, no? Okay, next, 3 all over square root of 5. So, gamitin nyo na yung calculator ninyo. Anong sagot?
3
Sir,
square
3
root
square root
of
of 5 over 5.
Very good. Tama yon. Dito naman, gamitin nyo na yung calculator ninyo. 5 square root of 2 all over square root of 6.
Sir, 5 is square root of 3 all over 3.
5 square root of 3 all over 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, how about number 5? What is 3 square root of 7 all over 4 square root of
3
2?
square root of 14 over 8.
3 square root of 14 all over
8.
8. So, check ko kung tama, no? Double check natin. So, number 4 is 5 square root, square root pala yan, sorry. 5 square root of 2, tapos square root of 6. So, ang lumabas, 5 square root of 3 all over 3. Di ba? Binigyan ka na agad ng final answer. Okay, next. Try natin si 3 square root of 7 plus 4 square root of 4 square root of 2. The answer here is 3 square root of 14 all over 8. Di po? So, kapag gusto mong long method, pahirapan sarili mo, pwede naman. So, magiging 3 square root of 7, 4 square root of 2 times, shortcut ko na, square root of 2. So, what is 3? Copy, sir. 3. And then, 7 times 2 is 14. And then, we have 4 square root of 4. Final answer. 3 the square root of 14 all over 8. Why? Because square root of 4 will be 2. Then 2 times 4 will be 8. So, gusto mong pahirapan sarili mo, ayaw mong gumamit ng calculator, magmano-mano ka. Okay, gets po? Hello?
Sir, paano po dito sa activity namin pag yung sinabi pong ilalagay yung solution, sir, eh
Wag
hindi
na, wag
namin
na, wag na.
kabisado kung
Don't need to write solution. Why? Kasi ano bang tinuro ko sa inyo? Shortcut naman, tama? So, you don't need to write the solution na. Wag na lang. May
Thank
mga
you.
modules na sinasagutan ko na. Basta gawin nyo lang. Kung gusto mo maglagay ng solution, kung gusto mo may solution ka, OC ka, dahil gusto mo may solution, go lang. Kung answer, puros answers lang ang nilagay nyo dyan, kasi ang ginamit nyo calculator, okay lang din, ha? Kasi kung tutusin, calculator lang naman talaga yung mga yan. Lalo na to, Pythagorean theorem. Pag sa achievement test, that's the time na kailangan nyo talaga maglagay ng solution kasi ang hinahanap ko dun yung effort points ninyo. Okay? Then
Sir,
kapag
pasan po yung module 9 mamaya po?
mode zone 9, ano?
Pasan po yung module 9 mamaya? Wala po dito sa module.
Sige, send ko na lang. Wala. 9. Ito, 11:56 na. So, hindi natin na-touch itong pinakamahirap na lesson. Is itong 12, tapos meron siyang 5. So, ang gawin nyo lang dito, x, ito yung y. Palaging ganyan, di ba? X and y is the ordered pair. Kung ang ordered pair natin dito is 12 over 5, 12 and 5. So, ito yung i-memorize nyo, di ba? Yung sine, theta, cos theta, and tangent. Ang partner ng sine is CSC. Ang partner ng cos is secant. Ang partner ng tan is cotangent. Sinabi ko na yun sa inyo kanina. Kung kapag ang sine is y all over r, and secant, if sine is y all over r, then yung magiging cosecant natin is r all over y. So, babalik rin mo lang talaga yan. So, kapag kinuha mo na yung r nito, so r is equivalent to 12 squared plus 5 squared. So, try nyo nga, what is r dito, guys? What is the value of r? 12 squared plus 5 squared. Ano yung r natin? Para masolve natin yung 6 trigonometry.
13 po.
Very good, it's 13. Last na to ha, before we take our lunch po. Pasensya na. Kailangan ko lang ipakita sa inyo. Ulitin ko na lang face to face ha. So, magiging r natin is 13. So, kompleto na. Our r is 13, our x is 12, and our y is 5. So, madali na lang isolve si sine theta. So, kunin natin yung sine theta ng y and r. So, since y all over r yan, so what is our y? Diba 5? Base natin. So, y is equal to 5. And then r is equal to 13. So, yung sine theta natin is 5 all over 13. Yung cos theta naman, cos theta is x all over r. So, what is x? 12. And what is r? 13. So, yun yung sagot natin sa cos. Next, what is tan theta? Ang tan theta natin is y all over x. What is our y? 5. What is our x? X is 12. Then now, counterpart ng sign. Baliktarin natin counterpart ng sign, CSC. Answer, 13 all over 5.
5.
Counterpart ng cosine is secant. Baliktarin natin, 13 all over 12. Next, counterpart ng tangent, cotangent. Baliktarin natin, 12 over
5.
5. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye po.
Thank you po, sir.
Ituloy ko na lang face
Thank
to
you
face.
po.
Okay, bye-bye,
Po,
guys. Thank you.
sir. Thank you
Bye,
po.
sir. Thank you po.
Sige po.
So,
Mag-lunch na tayo.
Isang klase pa, sir.
Ay, meron pa ba?
Meron pa kami, sir.
I-send ko na lang.
for one.
I-send ko na lang tong link ha. Itong PowerPoint and then the video recorded. Hindi pa siya natatapos
Thank you
eh.
po.
Hindi, mahaba. Lalo na yung isa na, yan oh, mahaba yan. Pero yung may shortcut naman.
Okay
Thank you,
po, sir.
sir.
Thank you po.
Okay, bye-bye na. Ay, wala naman.
Oops!
Sorry. Hindi ko sinasadya. Wala na ba? Oh, yan, wala na.